Greeting class. Today we are going to make our first project, which is a crane. You can see crane is used to pull heavy objects and it is made with pulleys and hooks. So let us start our first project. Take two C bar and one simple big plate. This C bar appears as a H section when two C bars are joined through a big plate as did in the kit. So, second step, you need to tight one more big plate with your previous kit. It is smooth and flat, thin and rigid body of uniform thickness. If we are talking about these big plate. Now attach a motor. In case of DC motor, electric energy is converted into mechanical energy. That is one form of energy to another. Now plug one more motor. In electric motor, moving part is called rotor and the stationary part is called stator. In case of every motor, not only for DC motor, in case of every motor, the rotating part is called rotor and the stationary part called stator. Now plug third motor. It is a device which produce or cause motion. A motor is one of the simplest rotating machine. Now attach wheels to your motor. Fly wheels is a type of wheel which is used in steam engine, internal combustion engine and pumps. These wheels are using in these fields. Now attach some axial or shaft. The axial with shaft. This small screw is known as axial and the simple bar length is called shaft. To prevent from all the axial block, shaft, wheel, etc. has to be properly lubricant, or that is called oiled. Wheel is a type of a wheel. Flywheel is a type of a wheel which is used in steam engine, internal combustion engine and pumps. We are already covered this part. Now take two small L bars. The corner of the bar is bent at 90-degree angle given it is an L shape. Okay. Plug one gear. A gear is a rotating machine part having cut teeth in order to transmit torque. Transmit torque means to transfer torque from one machine to another. Plug one motor. In an electric motor, the moving part is called rotor and the stationary part is called stator. We have already seen these lines. Now plug one gear with the help of axial lock. Even airplanes use wheels axial on their landing gear. The landing gear. Sorry for interrupt. The landing gear of the plane is used to land and pull the plane to the sky. Now nut and bolts. Nut bolts reduce the vibration of the robot body when it runs. Okay, the vibrations produced with the robot can be reduced with the help of nut and bolts. Small bars. It can be used to make three-dimensional arm as well. Small bars, these are called small bars. This can be used as arms of your robot. Nut and bolts. Place one hook with the arm which you have placed in the step number 14. Some bolts are threaded along their full length while other have only a short threaded area at the end. We are talking about nuts. Now axial and the shaft with the L shape, which we have made in the step number 11. Pass one shaft with the help of axial to lock it. Small bar, it can be used. The second part put in the shaft and the shaft put in the L bar. So our crane is now, crane construction has been done. You can see your final project should be look like this. Let us meet in next class. Thank you, class.